Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today we're talking about Posthog, an open source analytics platform. But is it truly worth your time? Posthog is designed to help you track user behavior, understand product performance, and dig deeper into user journeys. It's great for teams who want control over their data and need a platform that integrates easily with your tech stack. One of the best features is real-time event tracking. You can see exactly what users are doing, which makes analyzing patterns a lot easier. Unlike other platforms, Posthog doesn't charge you by the data you track, which can be a huge money saver for businesses that need detailed analytics. The platform also includes Heatmaps, session replays, and feature flags, making it more than just your average analytics tool. The interface is clean and simple, and it can be self-hosted or used on their cloud platform, depending on your needs. For teams who want full control of their data without overcomplicating things, Posthog is a solid option. So is it worth your time? If you're looking for an open source scalable solution with real-time insights, yes, Posthog might be exactly what you need. This is How to Literally, keeping it smart, simple, and scam-free.